Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete a subdomain on Bluehost. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then from this website's page, you will see the available websites and subdomains on your account. As you see, this is the subdomain that I want to delete. It is blog.automationfan. If I click on it, this is it. Now to delete this subdomain, there are two ways. The first way is deleting it from Bluehost account, this interface, and later I will show you how to delete it from the cPanel area. So let's start with the first method. Click on Manage, then go to Advanced and scroll down to Site Management, and next to Delete Site Permanently, click on Delete Website. This way you will delete your website, including all content, backups, and databases permanently. Click on Delete Website. Here, confirm the deletion by typing your subdomain or this address. You can simply copy it and paste it using Ctrl+V or Command+V. Click on Delete. And as you see, they are now deleting install, which means deleting the subdomain. Delete failed. I don't know why, so I can hit retry delete. As you see, your subdomain was deleted successfully. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Bluehost for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Bluehost, how to set up and manage your website, also email management, domain management, performance optimization, and also billing and account management. Other than this, you will also get access to other courses about hosting, web hosting, WordPress, email, and also website builder. How to get all of this for free? Simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. As you see, your subdomain was deleted successfully. And now the automation, my subdomain is no more showing up here. The other way to delete a subdomain from Bluehost using cPanel, I will show you how to do it by deleting this team.benstutorial.com subdomain. First, we need to log in to cPanel. To do this, go back to hosting page and click on this cPanel button. Scroll down to domains. This is it. Click on domains. Then locate the subdomain you want to delete. Select it like that. Or next to it, click on Manage. And here below, remove the domain. Click on this Remove Domain button. Same thing. This will permanently delete the domain or the subdomain from your account. You cannot undo this action. This will remove this subdomain's document root, which is this one. Click on Remove Domain, confirm, yes. It can take a while, and the system removed the subdomain associated and subdomain and any associated redirections. And this is how to delete. Let's give it a visit. My domain was team.benstutorial.com. And this is how to delete a subdomain in Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.